You're my raindrops in the starry night. You're my daylight when the sun don't shine. You're mine till the end of time. And when the day comes, when you finally mine, put my hands in yours, put your hands in mine. Forever and ever, you and me, stay with me.
Open trap boys on tight, why? Cause I don't have a 9 to 5. Alright, I get that your standards high, but I'm not a random guy, I'm different. When I write my rhymes, you say you don't like that line, I'll switch it. You said you don't like my life, you said you don't like my guys, you're tripping.
Raindrops in the starry night. You're my daylight when the sun don't shine. You're mine till the end of time. And when the day comes, when you find it mine, put my hands in yours, put your hands in mine. Forever and ever, you and me.
She photogenic, Instagram got a lot of impressions. She think I'm a G and I don't need love, but I need some fuck affection. If I fell off tomorrow, would you still love me? Man, I got 21 questions. In a trap with the cat's domestic, she doing lashes, something cosmetic. They shot their shot, she read it, they slid in the DM with something generic. She don't even like going out, got a new outfit but nowhere to wear it. She think that I'm being disloyal when I'm in the street with a couple of killies. You ain't gotta worry about none of these hoes, I'm grown, I'm done with these bitches.